Okay, you have curry chicken? Curry chicken. Yeah. Hey foodies, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to go to Popeyes and we're going to be ordering some Jamaican curry chicken. If they don't have curry chicken, then guess what? We're going to have to make it ourselves. 2 pieces. Yes. Not French fries, rice.
Rice?
Yes.
Red beans
No beans.
no beans, that's the word.
Yes, ma'am.
That's all for you today?
Yes.
Alright.
Yeah, I'm good.
Yep.
Alright, take it easy. I don't understand why they don't sell curry chicken. Anyways, guess what? I'm gonna have to make it myself. First, let's make the curry sauce. So we start off with some olive oil, some garlic, that's ginger, garlic, onion, carrots, green onion, red pepper, of course some hot pepper, curry powder, add some water. We're gonna cook this for about 10 minutes and work on the chicken. For the curry sauce, some all-purpose seasoning, some butter, wrap in the chicken. Let this reduce for another 5 minutes. Alright, now that we have the chicken ready, let's put it in the box. Make the jerk fried rice. We add some more oil, some onion, thyme, scallion, 1 egg. Then we're going to be adding in our Popeyes rice. Half tablespoon of jerk seasoning. We're also adding in some stir fry sauce. Fried rice good to go. Alright, let's add the fried rice to the curry chicken. Alright foodies, so this is how we turn 2-piece Popeyes chicken into a curry chicken and a Jamaican jerk fried rice. Remember to subscribe to the video if you enjoy this video.